The Larson Electronics 75 KVA Power Distribution Substation converts 3-phase 480-volt AC delta electrical current to 3-phase 208Y and 120-volt AC Wye. This fully enclosed power distribution unit provides operators the ability to safely tap into and distribute 480-volt AC delta power from a variety of sources, including generators and direct grid power. This temporary power distribution unit is fully enclosed and ruggedly constructed to withstand demanding conditions and industrial applications. The power distribution system is constructed of steel with a polyester powder-coated blue finish for durability against dirt, moisture, and mild corrosion. This model is equipped with bottom-located forklift skid pockets and 4 top-located lifting eyelets. 4 locking casters at the base provides mobility around work sites. Larson Electronics, building trust since 1973. Contact us today.